Okay, hello everyone. I am Paulette, a bike mechanic at Velo Wheel Cafe. And then today we have a family cycling group to explore Siem Reap. It is the 5-day and 4-night program. And then this program we have one day that we will go to experience the fishing village that we call Kampong Plok, and then the Sunlay Sub Lake and floating village. And then to ride here, we ride on a quiet back road in the village that we see a lot of activity. And then especially we offering a special local lunch in the halfway of cycling. And then to organize a ride bike for the people to enjoy on the bike, we always have a geometry size integration to make our cyclists enjoy on two wheels. But here, for our rider, that they have the height of 182. So we organize the Drag Million 7 2020 with the L5 that are comfortable for the rider from 178 to 188. So now we check the gear system before we do and check the front wheel, the headset, the bottom bracket, the saddle, and then the back wheel. So now I go up for this one, and this one we do it for 18 gear. So we have 9 gear, 9 speed at the back, and then 2 speed in the front. So now I check with the back, the rear gear. Yes, go down. Yeah, move 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the front lever is attaching, so we make our front lever go further. Okay, no teaching anymore. Now I go up again. Yes, go. Yes, good. Okay, now we done for the gear system checking, so we will do the M check. So for the M check, for the first, we check the front wheel. Okay, good. And then for the air pressure is too much, we will losing a bit because we are riding off road, we're not riding on road. Okay, the front wheel is okay. Now we check the headset. Okay, the headset is okay, good. And then we go to the bottom bracket. Here. Okay, good. Okay, good. And the back wheel is good. Okay, so this bike it is ready to ride. So our team this bike is ready to ride. So our group will come to take this one this evening, and then tomorrow we start to rock and roll. So we have one day to Kampong Plok, one day to West Barai, and then one day to Angkor. Interest cycling holiday in Cambodia, please email us or WhatsApp us. We will give you a detailed itinerary, and then enjoy cycling healthy explore and experience more with the local in Cambodia. Thank you.